This video I'm going to tell you about how to create a Django project. To create a Django project, first we have to create the empty folder. I created an empty folder with a Django practice. Now open the empty folder. After opening the empty folder, click on any empty space on empty folder and open it with code. Select the option open with code. After opening with code, you see this interface. I'm going to create a virtual environment. I'm going to create a virtual environment to install the Django module. To create a virtual environment, I'm using a terminal where I'm going to put my command. First of all, I'm going to create this terminal by typing the cs command. After this, I have to create a virtual environment, so I'm going to type a command Python -m and virtual environment venv, and the name of folder where the virtual environment file are going to be kept. So I'm going to name it dot. After the virtual environment has been created, we have to activate a virtual environment. To activate a virtual environment, we have to type a command. First of all, I'll tell you how virtual environment can be activated. To activate a virtual environment, there is script file, there is active file, activate file. We have to run this activate file. To run this activate file, we have to type a command in the terminal that is known as dot. Now the name of our folder that contain the virtual environment files, dot venv and slash, and the folder that contain activate file scripts and slash. Now we have to type a command that is known as, now we have to give a file name activate. Now I'm going to press enter. Our virtual environment has been created and it has been activated. How to know it has been activated? To know how it is being activated, there was a green color that is showing .venv. It's mean our virtual environment has been activated. Now I'm going to type a cs command to clear the output. Now second method is to install a Django. To install a Django module, we have to use a pip command that is known as pip install Django. Now I'm going to press enter. It is going to took the all the dependencies that is required for a Django modules and make it install in our project. It took a while to install this package. After the Django module has been installed, we have to create a project folder where all the Django files has been put. So for this, first I'm going to clear this terminal to make it beautiful and make it easy to understand by you. See this? Now, to make a Django project folder, I'm going to type a Django command that is known as django-admin start project and name any file that you want to create. I'm going to name it with project. Now you see that project folder has been created in my Django practice project. To see our project folder has been created correctly, I'm going to run a server. To run a server, we have to locate in the project folder and find manage.py file. And to locate a project folder, I'm going to use a cd command to change directory. Cd project. I'm moving to the project folder. cd. It's moved to the project folder. After this, we have to run a manage.py file. To run this manage.py file, we have to type a command, that is python manage.py run server and press enter. The link has been pop up. It means your Django folder is correct. To open this link, add the control button and click on this link. It will redirect to your default browser. You see that it's showing that the install works successfully. Congratulations. It means your Django project has been run correctly. Now I'm going to teach you how to create your first website with a welcome page. So for this, we have to make a file in these files, that is views.py file. I'm going to make a new file here, views.py file, and enter. This is our views.py file. We have to import the Django module in this file. To import a Django module in this file, we have to type a command that is known as from django.http import http response. After this, we have to make a function that used to run our welcome page text. First of all, we are going to create a function with the name of home. It has a parameter. In Django, the function should have a parameter. If the function has no parameter, it does not start. To add a parameter, I am going to add a request parameter here. The request parameter is used to request Django server to connect the home function to the welcome page. I'm using a return command to return a response. I'm typing HTTP response, and there is our command. I'm going to type welcome to our site. Now I'm going to save it with Control S. Now second thing is to go to urls.py file to add the path of our views.py file. To link, after making a views.py file, we have to connect it with the urls.py file. To connect it with urls.py file, we have to import a views.py file to the urls.py file and add the path to views.py file. To import in urls.py file, we have to write a command that is known as from import views and views.py file. After this, we have to add a path, and I'm going to give it blank here. And now for this, we have to add another thing, that is home. Views dot home. After this, I'm going to place comma here and write the name for this function, name for this path. Name is equal to home. I'm going to give it name home, and control. I'm going to save it by pressing a Control and S button. It's saved now. Now to run this setup, I'm going to run it by manage.py file. To run the manage.py file, I'm going to type a command that is known as python manage manage.py run server. And then after typing this command, I have to press enter, and This is showing that manage.py run server cannot be run. Why? This is because we are in the Django practice folder. Django practice. We are not in project folder. We have to move to the project folder. After moving to project folder, we have to move to the manage.py file. To fetch the manage.py file, we have to move to the project folder. To move to the project folder, I'm going to use a cd command that is now has change directory command. Cd and give the cd command folder name, that is project, and press enter. It moved to the project. Now after moving to the project folder, now I'm going to type command there again, python manage.py run server. After typing this command, I'm going to press enter to continue. Yes, now it is working. Now you see that link is come. We have to open the link by adding a control button by clicking on the link. You see, this is the page that I created, is showing in our browser.
That's okay.